Belzona 4141FR is the latest solution for both concrete restoration and fire resistance. Designed to repair spoiled, cracked and deteriorating concrete in vertical and overhead situations. It's developed from Belzona 4141 Magma Build, an established, lightweight rebuild material specified for thousands of projects around the world. Belzona 4141FR is easy to mix, requiring no specialist tools to apply. Not even fixed shuttering or formwork is needed to rebuild overhead and vertical cavities. Once cured, the crucial fire resistance provided can be put to the test. It only takes 1 minute and 1 flame to see the difference. Unlike non-resistant materials, Belzona 4141FR won't spoil or contribute to the spread of flame, extinguishing immediately without smouldering. This is even true when subjected to intense heat for a longer duration. After 1 hour in a furnace, Belzona 4141FR effectively retains its structure, ideal for protecting underlying rebar. Smoke is a hazard of any fire, not only releasing toxic fumes, but also decreasing visibility. Comparing Belzona to a non-fire resistant material, the smoke density differs drastically. Overall, visibility and health is not compromised. Belzona 4141FR is a safety-conscious choice, with a Euroclass rating of B, S1, D0. From high-rise buildings and car parks to metro stations and tunnels. This is a long-lasting, cost-effective solution for any building or structure. Visit belzona.com/4141FR for more information.